technology is very important in our everyday life. It can make our life easier and more efficient. But technology is not enough to support our life. Like humans that evolve over time, technology needs to evolve too. Innovation in technology is very crucial for human race. Wherever we are, technology will always assisting our job, even in our car. Technology in automobile have become better and better over time, from seatbelt to remote key and for more advanced technology. Vehicle voice control, or VVC, is our solution. With this, you can control AC, windows, doors, and even to open your luggage. Just open the app, and with one click, your phone will connect it with your car. From there, you can tell your car what to do with voice command. Another advantage with this app, you can set your AC a minute before you enter the car. So when you get inside, you will feel comfortable. Like humans that evolve over time, technology needs to evolve. That's why we developed this device, vehicle voice control. With this, you can control AC, window, doors, and even to open your luggage. Just open the app. With one click, your phone will connect it with your car. Vehicle voice control consists with Arduino module and some relays to connect with the car. Bluetooth connectivity makes this device convenient and easy to use by everyone. We program this device with Arduino so we can upgrade and setting things easier. We also make the voice command simple for easier operation. For the installation, it will take less than 3 hours and your car is good to go.